everybody! Today we're gonna be playing Rivals of Aether with Pizzano! Isn't that right, Pizzano?
Yes.
Alright, let's get ready. Alright, what sugary spider map would you choose? Oh, this is not a sugary spider map.
Stickman!
What the? How'd you hit me?
The hitbox is funny.
Stickman!
Stickman!
Creates good content.
It is good content.
Stickman!
But me beating your butt is also good content.
I suppose.
Stickman!
Yeah! Why do you keep doing that attack when you know that it won't work? Stupid.
Stickman! Stickman! Stickman!
Ow! That sounds like the chainsaw from 20 with Dipsy. Oh, I'm getting...
From
Stickman! Stick!
yes, it was.
I'm still standing to this very day.
Stickman! Stickman!
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'd rather not die. I'm not dead still. Wow.
Stickman! Stickman!
Looks like Noise is winning. That's pretty easy.
Stickman!
Pretty easy fun. I don't know, that's...
Stickman! Stickman!
Wow, why does Rivals of Aether just feel so slow today? Is it me?
I know, right?
It
Stickman!
just feels so slow. I don't know if it's the frames too smooth or it's just the game itself. I don't know why. It just feels so
Stickman!
slow. It feels just so slow. Come on. You're feeling like this too, right?
Yeah.
Stickman! Stickman!
Fry pan!
Stickman!
Oh. Fry pan! Fry pan! Fry pan!
Ouch.
I love the frying pan attack. It's just so funny. Frying pan! Frying pan!
Okay. I'm gonna switch characters.
Me too. I'm gonna be Jevil. My favorite character from Deltarune.
You press the top button when you do that.
Huh?
Hold on.
I mean, there's no reason for me to edit the video for my videos, but if for occasions like if it's a horror game, then I put some memes in it. But since we're playing a fighting game, how do you? How do you? What is? What character are you playing as? Okay,
We'll call
okay.
Mario.
That's Hotel Mario. Places. Places. Okay. Can I not fight you? I got a good idea.
Toast.
I always hated that character. I don't know why I installed this. Nope. This is an unfair fight.
Dear pesky,
Wait.
dear pesky plumbers, the Koopalings and I have taken over the Mushroom Kingdom. The princess is now a permanent guest at one of my 7 Koopa hotels. I dare you to find her if you can. We gotta find the princess.
Too bad you're not fighting me after this round of street be dead.
Toasted.
This is no fair. Your attacks have the biggest hitbox ever. The biggest hitboxes ever. The biggest hitbox. The whole fight counts as a hitbox. Yeah, seriously.
Toast.
I'm not complaining.
Sounds like you were, to be honest.
No. Is that a regular? Is that like an actual? Is that a troll or like an actual character?
The character.
Wow.
Dear pesky,
You got people. I got both. You got places. I got both.
toasted.
I got menu up. Menu up. Menu up.
Toast here.
Menu up. Menu up. Yeah, I don't worry. I'll just die.
Oh, hey, wait, I can aim the toast, I think.
Toasted.
No way. Oh, combo.
Toasted.
Yes, I have an idea.
Toasted.
Mr.
Toasted.
Krabs, I have an idea.
Toasted.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Shrimp Alfredo. Ouchie.
That sent you flying.
Toasted.
I did the toast thing, though. Oh. Oh my.
How are you not dead? Bro, oh my gosh! At this point, I'm just gonna. You're at 200. You were. Just die! Die already! Die!
It's been one of those
Finally.
days.
God, save me! God, save me! God, save me! No!
You know what they say? All toasters toast toast.
Oh, toasters, toast.
You know what they say? All toasters toast.
What we were both laughing at when I said something, when then we were both laughing. I forgot what I
Hey,
said.
you know what they say? All toasters toast.
I'm being serious.
Hold on.
How long is the video been recording for? 10 minutes? Okay, okay. Alright, 1 minute? Okay.
Alright, I'm good.
Oh, you good? Dang it. Mario versus Mario?
Dear pesky toast.
No, Mario versus Mario is just two Marios.
Toasted.
Get it? Two Mario?
Toasted.
That was very cringy. Get your ugly butt up. Out of here. Get your ugly butt up.
Check out the clothes.
Places is too much. Too much places. Oh, okay.
Dear pesky plumbers, the Koopalings and I have taken over the Check
Too much places. Hold up.
Check out You know what they say. Toasted. Toasted.
It's not even touching me. That was good. Whoa. No. Whoa.
Meatball. Be careful.
Whoa, is that coins? Do they hurt
Be
me?
careful. Be careful. Be careful. Pennies. Pennies. Pennies.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Dear pet.
Oh, Mario,
Pennies.
too good. Clicking the wrong
Dear
button.
pesky plumber. Toast.
That's too powerful.
Dear pesky plumbers, the Koopalings. Toasted.
I think speedrun Mario's.
Toasted. 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 Dear pesky plumbers, the Koopalings.
My game crashed.